that blue sky knows no limits. That's why the clouds stay away. It's so easy predicting the way. People shrug in surprise when they hear what I say. Here laughing doubters, I'm laughing louder. I don't really care. There's a song in my ear I've been hearing for years. Somehow it always appears.
We're in Universal Studios and little Seussland is decorated for Christmas. I love you now.
Yes, they are. Look at them all decorated up.
I'm so happy. This is
I guess we just follow the flow to Harry Potter Land.
yeah, you have to do that first. You have to do the Harry Potter stuff first, so that's what we're doing. You have to walk through Christmas Seuss first. Butterbeers are as good as always.
Heard us over. We gotta look at the high floats.
Got butterbeer.
You want to walk along here away from Daddy or walk to bed?
Oh, I'm here. Son. Never mind, I was gonna beat him up, but you can't see him now.
Do not push that button.
Push the button.
What's it do?
Every time you press it, a clown gets his red nose. 1 clown, 2 clowns, 3 clowns, 4 clowns. Let's see. What? Doesn't do anything. Oh yeah, it does. Every time you press it, a unicorn turns into a ninja. What? I didn't see you. Yeah, it's right. Suckers.
Does anyone
Love
name
her
your
Christmas
stock with
decorations.
I'm David or Davis McGee.
I never got to
E
ride
is for
that.
everyone under the sun. F is for friends who are all having fun.
Christmas carols. Very bright. Christmas.
Have you found Dingus McGee?
What?
Dingus McGee. Where's Dingus McGee?
Next to Waldo, I guess. Okay then. The ones I used to know. Da, 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 da.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hey, Squinty Bo, what should we do?
Take off. Try the grenade launcher. Over.
Wait, you mean this thing's actually loaded? Shoot. again. Come on, let's get out of here. This is Amity 6, Sochi 40. We're gonna wait in the boathouse until he gets here. Okay?
He said,
Now let's see, where can we tie up? Hello?
hello.
Is anybody here? Do you hear something? Oh no, that's where we gotta go. Oh no, the boat. It won't drop back into gear. Oh, come on, man, this isn't funny. Come on! I got it. Hang on, everybody. Let's get out of here. Go. Look out!
Amity 6, this is Chief Brody. I'm on my way. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? We'll be shark bait in 10 minutes. I don't see him. Where is he? Oh. Oh no! This is bad. This is very bad. We gotta go for it.
Go for it. Go, go, go.
Yes! We made it. Hang on. We can try and get off on that old fishing dock over there. We're going to unload one roll at a time. Please remain seated with your hands and legs inside the boat at all times. And watch out for that high boat surprise right there, guys. We should be okay. No, what's that here? Oh, no! Look!
Oh no.
Oh! Eat this!
Don't block the shot. Rainbow. Rainbow.
Whoa! Boy, that thing's disgusting. You really roasted him, huh? Ah! Oh, man, what a day.
Amity 6, what was that? Where the heck
Base.
are you? This is Brody. Are you...
Chief, this is Amity 6. Call off the Marines because we are coming home! Now, ladies and gentlemen, I really want to thank you for your incredible bravery out there today, but you probably shouldn't tell anyone what went on out there. You know, where did this little fish episode leak? That would be for Captain Jake and all the other businesses around here. Hey, nothing. We had a barbecue and saw some dolphins and some sea anemones, squids and stuff. But my name is Edward on behalf of Captain Jake and Universal Studios. Guys, I want to thank you for helping me conquer the menace of Jaws. Now, you guys, I really wouldn't want to do that for a 9-hour shift every 5 minutes without any lunch breaks.
He said no videotaping unless we're going to put it on YouTube.
And make him famous.
Yeah, make him famous.
Tell him I'm going to make him famous. No, I don't.
Hi. Gonna go downstairs. Okay, here we go. One of those sit down here and slide down, but nuh-uh, not this time. Whee! Let's go.
Blinded by greed. Endangered species! You get that right critical loathing, endangered species! An ancient elemental force awakens to take her revenge. Mother Nature. What the hallelujah is going on here? One word, Mr. President. Payback. They pushed the earth too far for too long. Now one man holds the future of humanity in his hands. It's okay. I'm a park ranger. Nice to have it, champ. Who are you? Just a nature lover, pal. Just a nature lover. Tell our boy how I died.
No. I'll tell him how you lived.
It ain't nice to mess with Mother Nature. Mother Nature storming a theater near you.
Last time that was you, Pudding.
Movie Extras. Disaster Studios hopes you enjoyed working on their latest blockbuster. You're welcome. Remain seated until the train has stopped. Doors have opened. Then watch your head while exiting.
Bear Muffin! Yeah, you.
Hey, Cookie Crisp. So, what'd you think about those jaws? That was pretty cool, huh?
Groovy.
Alright, so, you're gonna test your speed against the People Mover.
You're going to walk on the People Mover, and I'm going to run aside the People Mover.
Alright. Well, there she goes. I guess her running can't compare to the People Mover.
Well, that feels good.
Alright, well, you got that. Won that by a long shot.
And go.
And she takes the lead once again.
Please watch your step as approaching. Please watch your step.
Alrighty. You're the big winner.
Please watch your step as approaching.
We need to wait for Pudding Tang.
And that's a wrap. Alright.
The moving walkway exit is approaching. Please.
And here comes Pudding Tang.
She lost.
Please watch your
Dragging behind. Pull her on there, Cookie Crisp.
exit is approaching. Please watch your step.
Since it's still a little early,
It's not really early.
yeah, but since there's like no one here, can I try going up or going down escalator?
Yeah, if you want to. Okay.
And we did.
Alright. Cookie, no, we're on 152. Cookie Crisp wants to try to come up an escalator going down. So.
Hell, Anne, that's a good idea. You could fall.
She made it. She made it. Good job. Good job, Cookie Crisp. All right.